call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Anje Monet. Okay, so today we are working with UNice, and I'm so excited because this wig is 100% glueless. It's pre-plucked and it's also pre-cut, so this is perfect for the girl who has no experience but wants to look super laid and super slayed. Okay, period.
What did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out.
So all of the products that I'm using right now will be linked down below in my Amazon store. I decided to get an Amazon store for you guys because I know there's so many things that I use and I want you guys to have access to the right stuff so y'all wigs could be laid. So make sure you guys check out that link in the description below.
Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you.
So this is my first time using like a HD stocking cap, and I'll be honest with y'all, it's definitely HD. This is super thin. Because anytime I'm like working with like HD wigs and I don't have an HD stocking cap, like even though I've never used it, I always knew that this would be better because the lace being HD and then you put the stocking cap on that's like super thick, you can always see it and it just doesn't eat. So this unit came with the lace like pre-cut and everything, so it's actually super convenient. So this doesn't have like your typical adjustable straps that's in like the back of the wig at the bottom. It just has this one right here. Actually my first time using a wig that don't have like those adjustable backs in the straps, adjustable backs and the straps. Okay. How it looks as soon as you put it on the head, like it's super HD. Super duper HD. Y'all see like the stocking cap is barely even showing, which is I absolutely love it. It's definitely giving scalp, I must say. It's definitely giving scalp Rihanna. I am gonna add a little bit of makeup just because sometimes it has that little cast, but barely anything at all. I just think they plucked it a itty bit too much in the middle because we know like the middle of our heads typically have like it's fuller. If this was the side, this would be like perfect. So you might have to push it down maybe a little further or cut the lace back just a little bit, but all around this wig is like really nice. Okay y'all, so y'all see how my part looks right now? I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that. Sometimes I use this spray, it just makes it too much. So you just literally take some makeup, like some lighter color makeup, and just go down the middle and you'll be fine, you'll be good. But I really wanted to do that because I just wanted to make this just a little bit like, just a little bit like, I don't know, like darker. It just seemed a bit too light for me. Like I just want it to be like fuller. I ate that up, I don't care. So I'm gonna be using my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist Palette. This is in the shade medium dark. I literally have every single color because y'all know I'm a hairstylist out of Atlanta. But I'm gonna be using probably either this one or this one. Sometimes when you're doing your part, you wanna go like a little lighter because your scalp is a little lighter. So starting like right there and literally just going straight to the back. Right now we obviously have way too much makeup on it, so I'm gonna come back in with this. Alright guys, so off camera I had to come in and like pluck the part a little bit, then add some more makeup and then do some spray. So that's really all that needs to be done. If you feel like the middle of the wig is just a little too opaque, but for me it's definitely giving because so far all I've done was like literally just flatten out the top and it's just eating, right? I'm about to cut my hair. I usually never do stuff like this. Like I just keep stuff what it is, but I'm gonna cut it today. We're gonna start here. Is it giving? I'm gonna have Air do like a fishtail braid on me to like give the finished look, and then I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna cut a little bit more, but yeah, so we're gonna. There we go. Period. It's giving, it's giving, it's giving, it's giving. So this is the finished look. So this wig is super easy to work with. It literally took me no time. I was thinking to myself, like, this video is gonna be pretty short because literally I have no real work to do. The only thing that I've done was bleach the knots on this unit, which took me like 30 minutes. So this is definitely one of the easiest units I've ever worked with because I had to put little to no effort for me to install it. So that's a plus. So definitely make sure you guys check this wig out because it's super bomb, super convenient. And the fact that it's glueless means that I can take it off and put it back on whenever I want. So depending on what outfit I'm wearing, it depends on what wig I'm wearing too, because it's just that convenient. And for the girls who don't like want to sleep with wigs on, this is like the best unit for you because you don't have to go to sleep with. Hair is just so beautiful. It's so pretty. Y'all see that? Just water. Y'all, my camera dying. Cameras be hating. Cameras be hating more than your boyfriend when you look cute and you finna go outside. Like, hater, why would you die in the middle of my video? Be for real. So make sure you guys also check out my everyday makeup tutorial. I dropped it a couple days ago because you guys be blowing me up about this look. So I dropped this, so make sure you guys go check that out, and also check out my first video, which is how to make your closure wig like a friend with a deep side part, because that's just what we're doing. Like, we're doing anything and everything we want to do. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. I will see y'all on the other side. I'm telling y'all, I'm coming back to back to back to back with the heat. Not just beauty content. I told y'all, beauty, lifestyle, and advice. It's just so much in store. Like, do y'all have the popcorn? Where's my bag of popcorn? Y'all had a bag of popcorn I was eating, but I guess I lost it. But anyways, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye.